of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming?
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar. Second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Oh, Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like? So what happened to the real Emperor?
Now that I'm back, I'm starting Operation Dream.
That sounds like a club, all right.
We all get to role play as if I just became Emperor.
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find Club Nefarious and this Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
Parties every day. And everyone by my upcoming memoir. Isn't this fun? Hello? It is now a crime to disagree with and/or
Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
You wouldn't be the Phantom by any chance, would ya?
First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance? Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance? Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You've got to
I
be
do
smarter
not
than
want to
that if
hurt
you want to
you,
join the
but I
resistance, new
will.
guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance? Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You've got to be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Not permitted.
There! The resistance! We run the clock!
Keep your distance.
Up here, new guy. Come on.
Time to join your little friends in utter annihilation. I'm registered enforcer.
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom. Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait! 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 Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance number! Oh, I will make the Emperor... The resistance ends here! I am still not defending! Squishy is hurt! Please refrain from using
Now, where'd you
Nice
go?
work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily. Jump and Phantom Dash! The glove handles the rest. Nice. Very nice. Come on! Wall's not gonna bite! Alright, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily resist. Jump and Phantom Dash! The glove handles don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash! Ha! You're a natural.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Soon we will weed out the resistance once and for all.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Excuse
Excuse me, but resistance is not permitted.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
I am so proud to be a part of our Emperor's glorious...
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Another day, another chance to please the Emperor with my unconditional loyalty.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
You know what they say? Happy Emperor.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
A detractor in our midst.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on. Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Watch out! A rebel is among us!
Another mandatory shift at the factory? Oh joy.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Hello there! Allow me to assist in your transition to Inquisitor!
do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on. Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
I must remember to polish my statue of Emperor Nefarious later. It is still covered in blood.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Another day, another chance to please the Emperor with my unconditional loyalty.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Hello there! Allow me to assist in your transition to imprisonment!
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
I spot a rebel in need of capture!
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Stop Nefarious! My sensors detected deviant data.
Hold on, honey. Are you headed to the roof? You should use that rare titanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. Trust me, darling. You will want the upgrades I have got to use. Welcome to Ms. Zircon's. You break it, you buy it. Oh, you are getting it. Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the rare titanium. See? Why, Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent?
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there! And Miss Zircon was never here!
Did you try to trick us? You can get them all for 1% of your yearly salary.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
We are so lucky to have such a clever and malevolent ruler.
Citizens of the Nefarious City, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we need to talk.
Organic threat spotted!
The resistance is here. First they come for our local music scene. Now our swans! I am true. Physical violence is against spa rules.
Yes, Rebel. I'm registered enforcer! Surrender while you still can, Rebel.
We will prevail. Great job propagating me.
Forget the... Yo, actions speak louder than words.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? Did Phantom think this bolt crank will help me get back to the bazaar? get to the bazaar from here. That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spider in the factory for a resistance grant. Maybe you could pick it up.
Distant spy bot? Sounds useful. Could be worth the work.
So, you're welcome. Also, please ignore the purposely floating in the sky.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
Missiles locked on. Laser sweep commencing.
What the yikes? Yikes, yikes! Wow. Oh no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die. I do not appreciate this.
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
There. Now I can finally plug glitch into this access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seemed like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set. guess I can try to take out the rest now. Huh. What's with the capsule? Did a virus make that? Okay, I found that. I did it! Oh, man! I really... Wow! Anyway, looks like the computer is back online.
You did it, Glitch!
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Death traps, warpaths, 5-planet-destroying cannons, and a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. Oh, no, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha
Bring me that lumber!
So, then this Dimensionator was stolen by Dr. Nefarious, who used it to bring you here? Now you just have to find your friend, who is also miraculously a Lombax, to save the day.
And get home.
You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look, as real as I'm sure this Dr. Nefarious is, this has the Emperor written all over it.
Help! Wait! Under attack! Anyone!
Mort? What's going on?
Oh dear.
Brace for impact!
Oh. Look out!
What do you think I'm doing? Ah!
Where are you taking me?
I was gonna take you to my hideout, but first I gotta rescue my friends at their gelatonium factory.